The concept of a foldable iPhone has been the subject of growing speculation, fueled by Apple's history of innovation and the increasing popularity of foldable smartphones from competitors like Samsung and Huawei. A foldable iPhone would likely feature a flexible OLED display, enabling it to fold compactly for portability while expanding into a larger screen for enhanced functionality, such as multitasking or immersive media experiences. Apple's approach might emphasize durability, addressing common concerns about hinge mechanisms and display longevity in foldable devices. The device could integrate advanced technologies like Face ID, improved battery efficiency, and seamless software adaptation between folded and unfolded states through iOS. If released, a foldable iPhone could redefine premium mobile experiences, catering to both productivity enthusiasts and those seeking cutting-edge design. However, such innovation would come with a premium price, positioning it as a niche product in its early iterations.